So, what if I told you that in 2026 the hottest new programming language isn't Python, Rust, or JavaScript, it's just English? Welcome to the era of vibe coding. This concept went from a viral tech meme to the absolute standard for how software is built today. A massive chunk of code running online right now was written entirely by AI. In this video, I am giving you the ultimate beginner's guide to vibe coding. I will explain what it is, show you the top tools, and walk you through how you can build and deploy your first app today with absolute zero coding experience. So let's dive in. So, what actually is vibe coding? Traditional coding requires you to learn strict syntax, logic, and debugging. If you miss a single semicolon, the whole thing breaks. Vibe coding turns this upside down. It's an AI first approach where you don't write code, you communicate intent. You describe the vibe and features of the app you want in plain, natural language. An AI agent translates that into production ready software. Think of it like a self driving car. You don't need to know how the transmission works or when to shift gears. You just need to know where you are going, how to read the map, and when to stop. Vibe coding isn't just typing a single prompt and praying, it's a conversational iterative loop that follows 5 steps. The first step is intent. You tell the AI what to build in plain conversation. The second is specs. AI map the logic, database, and system schema. And the third is build. AI generates iterative visual prototype instantly. And the fourth is review. Test the live preview elements within your browser. The fifth is iterate. You talk back to the AI to fix bugs or add details. For example, you say, make the level up button play an arcade sound. The AI updates instantly. The tool ecosystem has exploded. But as a beginner, you don't even need to download software. Here's the top tools right now. First is Lovable. This is arguably the most powerful full-stack browser builder. You can build entire web applications with databases and user logins just by chatting. Plus, you can visually click on elements to edit them. And the second one is Bolt.new. Spins up local sandbox dev environments instantly in the browser tab with zero local software configuration. And the third is V0 Viversal, the absolute gold standard for bringing modern, gorgeous, and fully responsive CSS and UI frontend code to life. Now, let's talk about the step-by-step blueprint to build your first app. Here is how you launch your first project this weekend. Step 1, write a mini PRD. In business and product management, PRD means product requirements document. It is a foundational guide that outlines what products will do, who is it for, and how it will be built. In AI works, best with constraint. Before you touch an AI tool, write down exactly what your app does, the core features for a minimum viable product, and the visual style you want. Now, deploy base scaffolding. Paste your prompt into Lovable and or Bolt to establish the core layout for the deployment. Click the build or publish button to host your production ready URL instantly on active servers. Now we can talk about the velocity revolution. Development speed multipliers have experienced exponential scaling, enabling individual creators to build active full stack systems at unprecedented velocity. Now let's talk about the golden rules and the catch. Web coding sounds like magic, but there's a few golden rules you need to know. First, treat the AI like a brilliant but easily distracted intern. It needs clear instructions and constant supervision. The second is beware of security. Raw AI code can sometimes contain hidden vulnerabilities. For a fun hobby project or a prototype, it's fine, but if you're taking credit cards or sensitive data, you'll want to have a human developer to audit it eventually. And lastly, remember that your domain expertise is now your superpower, because anyone can code now. The person who understands the real world problem wins.